Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have an awesome, delicious recipe for you. This is something that we often get from our Chinese restaurant: vegetable and egg fried rice. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Let's go. First, we have our aromatics. We have our garlic, ginger, peppers, carrots, and scallion. Then we have our rice. Make sure that your rice is cold. Day-old rice is always best. We have our onions, we have our egg, we have our toasted sesame, oil, we're using vegetable oil, broccoli, bean sprouts, we have our peas and soy sauce. All right, so first we're putting in our oil. We want to make sure that it's hot. Personally, I like cooking my onions first. So I like to get my onions browned a little bit, and then I add the rest of the aromatics. So we're adding the rest of the aromatics, like I said, the ginger, the garlic, the carrots, peppers, scallion. You choose what you want. Definitely ginger and garlic. You might not want to use too much ginger because ginger can be very strong, but garlic and scallions and a little bit of ginger. Now we are adding our egg. So we want to scramble our egg a little bit, okay? Because it is vegetable and egg fried rice. Now, if you are vegan, you definitely won't be using the egg, but you can use tofu, and you can actually fry your tofu a little bit in the wok, okay? Make sure the wok is hot. We want it hot. We want to make sure it's hot, okay? All right, so just mix it around. Now we're going to add our broccoli. I'm using fresh broccoli. It is not steamed, cooked, because it's going to get all of the cooking that it needs in the pan because we cut the broccoli up very fine. Now we're adding our cold rice. Make sure that your rice is cold, but when the rice is cold, you gotta kind of beat it up to make sure that it flattens out and the rice grains do not stick together. Okay, so all right, it's look at how it looks already. It's looking great already. All right, so now we want to add our flavors, our sauces in it, right? After we have mixed it up well and everything is incorporated together. Now we're adding our toasted sesame oil. Toasted sesame oil gives such a great flavor. You don't want to use too much because it is a strong flavor. It's nutty. It gives almost a nutty flavor to the rice. And then we're adding our light sodium or low sodium soy sauce. Once we have both the soy sauce and the toasted sesame oil in our rice, we want to mix it up, and we want to make sure that every single rice grain has soy sauce on it. So we want the whole thing to have the beautiful brown color, okay? Now, what I do want to emphasize right now is that this is your fried rice. Although I am adding broccoli and bean sprouts and also I'm using dark soy. I did not have that in the beginning. I'm using dark soy because I want a richer color. Like I was saying, this is your fried rice. You can make it any way you want to. You can add whatever your favorite vegetables are. You can add snow peas. You can add sugar snap peas. You can add all kinds of vegetables. Whatever your favorite vegetables are, you make the rice your own. And also, even if you don't want it to just be a vegetable and egg fried rice, you can always add whatever protein you like best, but make sure that you cook the protein first before you add the rest of the ingredients, okay? So I did not get video of me putting in the bean sprouts and the peas, but we have added them and our rice is done. We are finished with our delicious vegetable and egg fried rice, and that's a close-up. Look at the close-up. It is amazing, and I'm so excited that we have been able to bring this recipe to you, and we hope that you enjoy. Again, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. And also, we'd love to know if you end up making it, so let us know. All right? So thank you so much, and take care. Also, don't forget to visit us at www.chefdarleneb.com. Bye.